Has it happened in your home? It's 9 at night and your child says, "Mama, project due tomorrow. What to do now?" And you say, "What? Tomorrow? What were you doing all the day? Watching reels?" Smart child, funny too. But socks are missing, homework not done, breakfast still on the table, and every morning feels like a race. You think, is my child lazy? No, they are not lazy, not bad at all. They are just missing one thing, one diamond that makes every child shine, and that diamond is routine. In this video, Rama ma'am and I would be showing you how to build a small, simple, yet effective routine. No shouting, no stress, just peace. Watch this video and help your child shine. So ever said this to yourself? मेरा बच्चा स्मार्ट है बट कुछ तो मिसिंग है. होमवर्क के टाइम पर तो एज इफ मेमोरी ही चली जाती है. He knows everything but still marks don't show it. She learns fast but there is no focus, no habit, no drive. And if it sounds like your child, type yes in the comments in the chat. And let me tell you something which is 100% true. You are not alone. Every parent feels like this at some point. You sit with your child, you say, "Beta, bas 10 minutes padho." But before 2 minutes, TV remote, water, washroom, fan, pencil, सब कुछ याद आ जाता है. By the time homework starts, dinner bell rings, mood खराब, time गया. फिर रात को guilt पर पार्टी शुरू. I should have been more strict maybe. And next day, same story. We think शायद मेरा बच्चा lazy है. Maybe he doesn't care. Maybe I should shout more. But the truth is simple. Your child is not lazy. They are not ignoring studies. Where is the problem then? Actually, they never even reach the time where homework was supposed to happen. Why? Why is it so? Because something is missing. It's not brain power. It's not love. Not values. Just one small thing. Routine. Yes, it's routine. And that tiny, boring daily rhythm, it's not a punishment. It's the magic track, ma'am. Now think about it. Your child is like a Ferrari. Sharp, smart, powerful. But Ferrari भी बिना रोड के कहाँ जाएगी बताओ? Routine is that road. And today's episode is like construction of that road with you and us as construction engineers. And guess what? Joining me in this fun yet eye-opening ride is none other than the parenting powerhouse herself, Rama ma'am. Someone you all love. We are going to share one simple, doable and simple fun way to bring back your child's spark. Not more tuitions, not more scolding, not more rules. Just one simple routine. So stay with us because what you will hear today might be game changer you were looking for. And hey, if the focus is daily fight in your house, don't forget to watch my short fun video all about focus after this webinar. So let's go. Rama ma'am, most welcome. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Surbhi ma'am. Okay, so hello, lovely parents. It's like happy Friendship Day to you all and to Surbhi ma'am. Okay, so today I would love to give you one special line, ma'am, on this auspicious day. It's like a friendship band from me to you. So routine is your brain's best friend forever. Can we remember this line? Routine is your brain's best friend forever. So long ago, when we were kids, ma'am, okay, we had a routine. It was like magic. Wake up, go to school, play, do homework, eat, sleep. It just happened. No one had to tell us. But today's kids, ma'am, they wake up and scroll. Eat a snack, scroll again. okay? Shout, okay? Eat more snacks, then sleep. No routine, just a roller coaster all the day, okay? Let's help them to do one small routine, because routine is not boring. Routine is brain's superpower. We make parenting too hard, but let's actually it's actually very, very simple, ma'am. Just give them one thing: a stable daily flow. That means same wake up time, same study time, same play time. And guess what? The brain starts to feel safe. When a child knows what comes next, they don't waste brain energy thinking, they just do it. Many parents don't know this brain secret, so we miss it. But don't worry, Surbi has made short videos on this, and it's on the YouTube channel, Childfulness. So do watch it. It will help you a lot. Isn't it, Surbi ma'am?
Yeah. No, so I agree with you, Rama ma'am. When a child does not know what comes next nowadays, what happens? They jump to video, nothing in pipeline. So let me jump to reels, video games, and just like we do. Now let's talk about that messy part. What really happens when there is no routine at home, Rama ma'am?
Yeah.
So what do you think? When there is no routine, what happens?
It is like, ma'am, a total dhamaka. I must say that it is total dhamaka, because head full fog, heart full drama, mummy papa chasing kids, and kids chasing Wi-Fi like a gulab jamun. Everything is urgent. Beta homework karo, beta pani piyo, beta phone do. But what is important? No one knows. Even Google gets confused, ma'am.
Yeah, wow. Everything becomes urgent and nothing feels important. Rama ma'am, you are a boss. And your words are big blast in my brain. Now I am in a nerd mode on, but fun nerdy, okay? Not boring nerd. So parents, you need to hear this. Routine is not just outside work. It works inside the brain, like wires of the brain, like buttons, like brain magic. If you want to know the secret, Rama ma'am, let's open our brain lab and tell us, what does routine do inside brain? You were talking about it that day, no? What's the brain behind it? What's the science behind it?
Yeah. Very true, Surbi ma'am. So routine is like, ma'am, oxygen which we take for life brain. Now, when the children knows, okay, what comes next, the brain relaxes. It doesn't have to keep making decisions every 5 minutes. Okay, imagine you are walking into a new place every hour. The brain gets tired just adjusting all the time. That's what happens to kids, okay, when they have no routine. So they are tired, man, not because they worked, but because they keep guessing.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah, very, very right and important. Their brain is not doing homework. It's doing time management, energy juggling, emotional drama, all at once, right?
Yes. Oh, yes. It is like, ma'am, 100%. When we do same things daily, like same sleep time, same reading time, okay, same dinner time, our brain goes like, thanks, dost. Now I can focus. Okay. And now act like it's kind of a tried potato, because see, animals do routine. Nature does routine. Whole universe runs on routine. So owl never forgets night shift, ma'am. No oops. I was binge watching during the day. Night means owl time, and owl work. No confusion at all. Even when you look at these leaves fall in season, not randomly during IPL also, or when they are bored, but humans. We like, I will sleep at 4 a.m. today. I will eat my lunch when the moon comes. Hmm? I will do yoga on International Yoga Day once in a year. Hmm? Our brain is like, are we DGLJ or Hera Fairy? What is the story plot here, ma'am? It cries, क्या चल रहा है? पहले बताओ मुझे. But when you follow a routine, same sleep, same wake up, same habits, brain says, yahi, the brain says, you na batao. Now I can chill like, Rancho and think like, Viru Sahastra Buddhe, no more guessing, no more stress. Just brain working like Three Idiots final exam scene. Smooth, fast, and full marks. And then when brain is happy, ma'am, you become sharper, smarter, cooler, and way less moody.
Yeah, because of this predictability that brain gets. Yeah.
Correct, Surbhi ma'am.
Yeah, so let's play a title game here, a little bit, and guess the routine status. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to share few lines with everyone. I'll describe a scene, okay, and we all are going to guess because we all know this, right? So we all are going to guess it and type in the chat. Type routine home or freestyle home. You type R if you think that this is routine home in this game, and type F if you feel that it is freestyle home. Okay, write it in comments. So let's start. Scene 1 is child's tiffin is open, socks are missing, water bottle, it is in fridge, school bus is honky, parent is shouting, fast yaar, fast, we will miss the bus again today. Now, which style is this? Write in the chat. You
Very
all
true.
know it. But it happens every day with many of us,
Yeah, very true.
Write
Surbhi.
F if you feel it is freestyle. Write, routine. For routine, write R.
Freestyle home, right? No routine, full drama.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going for scene 2. The bag is already packed and water bottle is filled the previous evening. The child wakes up, gets ready, eats and leaves, all in 30 to 40 minutes because everything is pre-scheduled, pre-planned. Calm music is playing in the background of Mamma's head. Mamma is standing relieved, right? Which type of home is this? Tell me.
Yeah. So it is routine home, right? Peaceful home. Chai and Shanti approved, ma'am.
Yeah, and parents say, in our time, we understood everything with just one look of my mama, one look of my daddy. Yes, why? Because we had a set routine. Wake up, school, play, homework, dinner, sleep, same every day. But today's kids, they are not bad. They just don't have a daily plan because we parents are also busy. So children are also floating, It's like a balloon with no string. They are just floating. Rama ma'am. So the big question here is, how can we bring back that routine without becoming army boss type parents? Because when we think of parent, this discipline, we think of very strict discipline in the house, everyone following routine. But no, you can do it nicely without any fight, without being army type boss. Rama ma'am. So what's your opinion on this?
So this part is very important, ma'am. Okay, like gold. Yes, gold for parents. Don't try to do everything in one day, ma'am. Okay, so parents need all perfect today and nothing tomorrow. That does not work. So please listen to this gold line. One small habit at a time. Pick one thing, like same dinner time every day, or 15 minutes, ma'am, reading before going to bed. Just one thing, okay? Do it every day, no matter what. This is a magic rule. Doing a little every day wins. Not like this, one day full power. So next day, sleepy like the rabbit in a story. Slow and steady like the tortoise wins the race.
Yeah. Correct. And start with one small routine. You don't have to do too much, because then brain will start feeling overwhelmed. ये करूँ, क्या करूँ, छोड़ो यार, सोते हैं, you know. Just pick up one small routine. Then your child will start doing more. You can also try increasing it more, but after you make one habit consistent every day, you know. So choose only one small habit, you know. And parents, don't wait for that perfect day. Just start it today. Just after this program, you can start it with one small thing. That's enough. We have seen it, right, Rama ma'am? Parents started with just one habit, and ding dong, everything began shifting, isn't it? Just choose one.
Yeah, very, very true, Surbhi ma'am. One mom told me, they started no screen before 1 hour of going to bed. Okay, just that one thing. Within a week, the child was waking up better, talking more, and sleeping properly. This is reality, ma'am, what I'm sharing it with you.
Yeah, see how magical it is. And also, one dad said, we read books together for 10 minutes every night, just 10 minutes every night before, child goes. And now this child says, Papa, let's read together. वो वाला किताब पढ़ते हैं, चलो. All by themselves. Why? Because kids don't need perfect parents. They need simple, same time moments every day. This time, Papa and me, we are going to read together. This is the time. 9 p.m. every night before going to sleep, we will do it. Just fix a time. It can be very small, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Don't worry about it. Just a start.
Yeah. So, I'm sure, ma'am, parents will follow it. So, here is your small challenge, parents. Pick one small habit you will do every day. Just one. Write it in the comments. Do it for 7 days. No skipping. Okay. No shouting. These are the two things very important. Just stay calm and steady. Write this in big bold letters in your child's room. Routine is not boring. It gives me freedom, because when your child knows what's next, they feel safe and they feel very, very strong, ma'am.
Yeah, true. And if you try this and it helps you, come back to this video on YouTube, which will be released on Monday. Write in the comments, routine works, yaar. What it will do. This will help other parents as well, because we need to help each other. And click like, share with one friend, parent. And yes, subscribe for more simple and real tips, because we also need your help. We are also your friends, because we want to spread this message. The purpose of this, YouTube channel that we are doing is to spread awareness around it. It's not monetized YouTube channel, but we keep working hard. Why? Because we want to spread this awareness. So please help us in that.
Yeah. So, ma'am, parenting does not need to be perfect. Okay. It just needs to be peaceful, and sometimes, all it takes a little daily habit.
Yeah. That's super important. And all the parents, I feel that all of us know this, that this is important. Now, we always had that question, how to do it. So this simple trick, very simple yet very effective. Choose one thing, start from today. even if it is for 5 minutes, do it every day consistently, then slowly it will increase. Your child will be done with it, right? And we keep bringing webinars for you every Sunday 7:30 p.m. IST, and the link is always same. Okay, so please save that link, and always you can join, with different topics we come up, but only after you do this daily exercise that we are telling you. Do this for this complete week, and then next week you can give us feedback. That's what we want from your side, because it's no use, when we keep talking and just Sundays we talk together and then nothing is changing. We want your house to be transformed. So please apply this, and then when you come back, after your child finishes their 15 minutes reading time or any one habit, that's the real transformation that we want. So I guess it's a deal, right? So write down deal if you really feel it, And now I think, Rama ma'am, we should open for questions. We have few questions with us.
Yeah, Surbhi ma'am, yes. And I can see the parents are writing into the, in the chat box also. Okay. So we can take up the questions, ma'am.
Yeah. So first question is by Naveen Tangji. How to make children obedient?
Okay. Make the children obedient, right? Yeah. So every parent want a child to be, it's like Alexa, right? Like you tell, the Alexa does everything. Correct? Yes. So parents are thinking on those lines. But then for that, first is that the calmness in the parents is very, very important. How you talk to your child matters a lot. Okay, and that is a culture and the environment in the house which you need to develop it. I'm sure, we all were also kids, okay, right? But we know that how obediently we were, respecting our parents or listening to them, because in those days the distractions were less, right? And our parents were very calm and composed. Nowadays I see the parents more hyper, ma'am. Okay, and then automatically the children also are, we are getting hyper generations. So if you want your child to be obedient, then first and the foremost is that you start being very calm and composed with your child. And when you give the instruction, only few I should say, like, not all the time instructions, isn't it, Surbhi ma'am? You would like to add?
No, I like this idea of developing a culture of listening. Right. So maybe for 1 week we can start with listening to child. Are we listening to the child? So we have also created videos on that. Why don't kids listen to us? Why are they not obedient nowadays? You can watch that short video, and also let us know your feedback, because we would like to collaborate with all the parents, all the wise parents like you. Why I am saying this? Because on Sunday evening, people go for party, and parents who are doing this parents talk are obviously very, very aware, conscious about their family, right? It's just that because we all are running from morning till evening, we miss few things. Rama ma'am misses few things. I miss few things. You may miss few things. That's why we are, being together, so that we can share with each other, so that we can help each other. Nowadays, Rama ma'am, support is very less. From morning since night, we keep running, we keep doing everything at our own. ऑफिस भी है, घर भी है, बच्चे भी हैं, जो एल्डर्स घर में हैं वो भी हैं. Everything we have to do by ourselves with very less support, So why we are saying that, let's create that culture? Because you are the only support system for your child. In our time when we were children, Rama ma'am, पड़ोसी भी होता था, एक चाचा डांट देता था, दूसरा चाचा समझा देता था, it was complete village which was raising us. लेकिन अभी उन बच्चों के लिए भी support system हम ही हैं. So whenever emotional disconnect, it can be any reason. I mean, we need to understand it deeply, but it can be any reason. Maybe child's mood is off, child is obedient child, but that particular time mood is off. Sometimes whispering works, not shouting, so we need to understand. Thank you, Naveen ji, for your question. Really grateful, because once you ask question, you are not asking for yourself, but it solves many queries, many concerns in the minds of people. Because 100 more people have same concern, but some people may not ask that question, right? So how to make kids listen to me? Snehlata ji Ghule is saying. Same question.
Similar way, ma'am, because if you really look at it, listening again, the obedient listening habit, for that, first you need to learn to listen to your kids. How much you listen. That is my, you please introspect on that. And if you are very conscious about it, I'm sure you will be getting the results.
And it's a very friendly advice on this friendship day, because we all have been there in your shoes, we all are humans, like we said. Okay. So Shri Pooja ji is asking how to handle child's bad friends. Now this is very tricky, because nowadays it's super important. Your child goes for play, child goes to school, and then friends are guiding in different ways, right, Rama ma'am?
Correct, ma'am. So, ma'am, one thing, the children don't understand what is good and bad. Okay, so good company and the bad company. So for that, definitely, just talk doesn't help with the children. Okay, lot of moral stories. Okay, lot of interaction. So that's why the stories plays, reading out the stories or telling the children stories makes a lot of difference. Now, I don't know how old the child is, ma'am. Okay, when the mother is asking, they have asked the question, they should specify, like, how old the child is. If the child is elder, right, like elderly children, definitely, ma'am, the consequences of the friendships, you need to explain, you need to give them example. Children learn through stories a lot. Okay, so they need to be trained, the mind needs to be trained. What is good and what is bad, the children need to take the decisions. Correct?
Yeah.
And this happens over the period, ma'am. Once we start making conscious efforts, okay, even our Brighter Mind program, where we give that kind of a training to the children, which is very structured, Subhi ma'am. There, automatically the children start understanding whose company they enjoy the most, in whose company they are going to get benefited.
Yeah. That's true. So many people ask me why this blindfold activity. In Brighter Minds, we train children for the sensory substitution. Child closes eyes and child is able to understand colors without seeing, read without seeing, understand what is kept in front of the child without seeing. Many people ask me why this blindfold activity. So I also ask, many children, you have two eyes, right? Why to do that? The real purpose, the real vision behind that activity is, suppose my child is closing eyes and trying to understand the color. What child will need to do? Focus, observe the subtle vibration, and that is how slowly your child, with more focus, with more observation, your child is able to understand the colors. What it brings to the child? Three things. One, more observation, child is more observant, training the mind for more observation. Two, more concentration, because child is concentrating, building that focus muscle in the mind. And third, this dynamic intuition. How? Because when child understands that I felt red and it was red color, child starts believing her heart or his heart, that whatever my heart says, whatever my heart guides is right. And slowly that is built. So child learns to appreciate herself or himself, because all in our complete life, if I look back, many of us, we keep seeking appreciation from others. My father should appreciate me, mother should appreciate me, friends को appreciate करना चाहिए. Yesterday I was talking to a parent, they were saying कि बच्चे को बाहर के बच्चे कुछ भी बोलते हैं, वो सब हाँ करता है. Why? Because child wants friends. वो चाहता है कि पार्क में उसके साथ बच्चे खेलें, और अगर वो ना कहेगा तो बच्चे उसे बाहर कर देंगे. So he says yes for everything. you know.
Very.
उसके पीछे बहुत सारे reasons हैं जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि भाई अभी nuclear families हैं, right? So this is very important skill that your child needs. How to decide wisely कि ठीक है अगर कोई नहीं भी खेलता है, but if I am right, I'll keep that right thing because whatever my heart is saying, whatever guidance I am getting from inside is the right direction to move on. तो वो confidence build होता है. That self-trust, that self-confidence is built with this activity. So this sensory training activity is very, very deep activity, Rama ma'am. And I see children changing with this, you know.
Yeah.
And we have started, working with St. Joseph's School, and Principal Ma'am, Sister Antoinette was also trying. She could, understand the color, and then she was telling me it is something really amazing when I'm, able to feel that I really feel happy. So when children feel, they start feeling happy from inside. They start feeling that happiness in themselves, that joy. That they are not relying on the happiness outside. ठीक है फ्रेंड खेल रहे तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो दूसरा अच्छा फ्रेंड बनाओ जो तुम्हारे माइंड के साथ सिंक करे, so that is how it's very important to guide children, because friends can make you, friends can break you.
Very right, very right.
Thank you, sister, for such a wonderful question. And next is, how can we make the students interested in learning literature? Suprabhat ji is asking.
So ma'am, learning literature, learning reading habits, all that we have made few videos. Our webinars are also there.
Yeah.
Okay? So they can refer to that. And this is actually a very extensive question, because literature is something, you have to go step by step. So we'll definitely speak to her on one-on-one, ma'am. Right? Yeah, that will be better. And even Surbhi ma'am, we are getting a questions in the chat box. Okay. Yeah. So there
you can take it.
Yeah,
so I'm sharing two things with parents. I'm sharing one, our YouTube channel link, so that you can join, and also one WhatsApp group we have created for all the parents, so that we are there with each other, and whatever you want to share, or whatever opinion you have, whatever, if you have done something good you want to share with others, please send us, and you can join that group, be there, because all the time we keep sending notification regarding our next webinars and other information. So you can join that parents WhatsApp group as well. So I have shared, and also I will share my number in case you have something that you would like to talk.
Yeah, that will be great, Surbhi ma'am, because sometimes the parents are not able to speak on in this forum, but if they have any queries, they can definitely get in connection with you.
Yeah. Only one disclaimer here I would like to add, because sometimes I'm a meditation trainer as well. So sometimes I keep conducting meditation sessions. Sometimes I'm with children in different sessions. So I may not respond to your query immediately. But if you are sending the query, rest assured I will address it and I'll connect back with you. You may need to wait a bit, but I will be taking care of it. That's what I wanted to share.
Good. Ma'am, I'll take one question which is over here. They are saying that Mr. Mule is saying that, can we rewire brain for habits? Very important.
That's a wow question. Yeah. Mule ji is here. I think I can see him. So I'll give him a spotlight. Please, Mule ji. Yeah.
Yes, sister. So this is interesting.
Yeah.
Because we as elders are wired from childhood.
Yeah.
And as the age goes on, the habits deepens.
Yeah.
Correct.
And so I have just read one book on NLP. So NLP helps to rewire the brain. So I want to know something more about this NLP and the rewiring in a positive way.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's a very, very important thing, and we all should do it, because rewiring the brain is something that we keep doing, because we all, like Swami Vivekananda said, every human being has the potential to rise up to human perfection, right?
Yes.
And we have to become better version of ourselves every day, every moment, you know. So first thing is, sir, we want to congratulate you, because thinking about itself, shows the consciousness level high. Because unless you are thinking for your own betterment all the time, you cannot think like this, right?
Yeah.
So that itself shows, progress, that every day you are more conscious about it, you are trying for it. So yeah, so like slowly building consistently, Rama ma'am.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. When sir is saying that can we rewire brain for habits, I would say yes, we can. Okay, but for that, the consistent efforts, and especially from the adult side, it should start. Okay,
Yeah.
because the children at that level, okay, they are not aware about it, what we want to, rewire. Correct.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, in our education system, there are no lessons on this brain development. Okay. Our science books does not speak about the brain in class 1. Okay, it starts speaking at a very higher level classes, and this is something becomes the responsibility of an adult. Yeah. Sir has again raised his hand, I believe.
Yeah, that is brain development, brain rewiring. That is new for me.
Yes.
Everything I heard about mind.
Yeah.
Mind.
Yeah.
Definitely, you
Yeah,
can.
so here, Rama ma'am, here I would, because he's talking about brain and mind. So very quickly, I'll because this is important for all of us to understand. Brain is like hardware. All of us use laptop nowadays, right? So it's like hardware of your laptop, all the neural functions here. And then mind is like software. So when we are meditating, what we are doing, we are working on software part of it. But brain itself needs some working, like our body. You need to build the bicep, you need to work on it, right? If you want to tuck the tummy, you need to work on it. So there are different brain exercises. So Mule sir, we are going to start this adults program from coming week. I will be sending you notification, and I have also received your enrollment in that. And if other people also want to enroll, enrollments are open. Coming week Tuesday we are going to start, and we will be working on neuroplasticity, how to, because neuroplasticity is always there, in adults also it's there. That is how we can utilize that neuroplasticity and work practically on it. Why? Because we all want to sharpen our memory. आजकल भूलने का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, नाम भूल जाते हैं, लोगों की शक्लें देखते हैं पर नाम नहीं याद आ रहा रहता है, अपॉइंटमेंट्स भूल जाते हैं, we feel overwhelmed, so much stress is there, so to address all these concerns, we are starting this program for adults. So we can start, and slowly with that practical work, Mule sir, we will be doing it. And with that practical work, you will see that actual change. You will experience that actual change. And I will also share the science behind it in that session. And also, we will be working on it very thoroughly in a very structured way. Thank you for your question.
Thank you, Surbhi ma'am. There's another question by Priyanka ji. She's saying that how to increase the attention span of a child. Kindly guide. Okay. So Priyanka ji, we have conducted the webinar for similar thing. Surbhi ma'am has created the videos also. You can have a one-on-one interaction with Surbhi ma'am. If you want a personal guidance as such, because definitely the attention span is something which is very important to be increased right from the beginning. Okay. So there is a structured program for that. You can get in touch with Surbhi ma'am. She'll guide.
Yeah, why? Because if you only tell your child focus, concentrate karo beta, आप भी focus करना चाहते हो, concentrate करना चाहते हो, but unless you have those practical methods, tools, techniques, तो वो focus कैसे build होगा ना? So that is why only if we only talk, it will not help. You actually need those practical techniques, methods through which you are only following that structure, and that comes into your automatism. Mind becomes more focused, attention span automatically increases. So that's why these practical methods need to be tried. Thank you.
You can take more questions, Surbhi ma'am, because in the chat box I don't see any more questions.
Okay, so I'm sending all the questions once again, and Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have also shared both YouTube link and WhatsApp for parents group. You can join. And next question is from Saheli ji.
Mhm.
How to be kind with my child who is at adolescent? So cute. How to be kind?
Yeah. So basically, to handle the adolescence age group children, first is that you need to be very calm and composed, ma'am. Okay, because lot of changes keeps happening at the adolescence age group level children. So you need to be a friend of your child, right? And at the same time, you need to be very conscious. I must say, like, you need to take certain kind of an efforts. So first is that you need to learn to be calm, and for that there is a free gift from Heartfulness where they give you the meditation links are there. You can explore those, that will help you to handle your children. And for adolescence program also, ma'am, like in Brighter Minds, basically, see, the children go through a lot of struggle in that age group. Peer group also matters a lot. Their own body keeps changing. So many things are there. There's a science behind it, how to handle the adolescence age group children. And they cannot be handled rudely. They cannot be handled, in a very stern manner. It requires a lot of love and lot of attention.
Yeah, correct. So what I feel, ma'am, whenever I listen the word adolescence, one image comes in front of my eyes कि वो रस्सी पे एक, वो हम बचपन में देखते थे ना, एक लड़की है जो पतली सी रस्सी पे ऐसे ऐसे बैलेंस करती हुई चल रही है. So that's the situation of parents, when your child is in adolescent age. And also for that girl, there are many things, many inputs here and there, child shouting, you have to do this, you have to do that, so many things in your mind, and you are walking on that rope, balancing. But yes, these practical methods by Heartfulness, and I would like to share with you that Heartfulness is global organization. We are present in 160 countries. 95% offerings by Heartfulness are not chargeable. We work on pay forward method, we work on donation method, and 5% offerings in which we charge, then we give because we charge because we are giving few things, few logistics to you. So only 5% offerings are chargeable. So you can try these wonderful offerings by Heartfulness, and Heartfulness relaxation technique, actually I will send in this group today itself. You can try that Heartfulness relaxation technique before going to sleep every night. Try it for 10 days. And also there are master classes for meditation. There is one free Heartfulness app, very easy, very simple, more easy than ordering pizza, and then you can utilize that app. You can have guided meditation sessions. They are really transforming. I am meditating with Heartfulness for last 30 years. 30 years. And if someone is dedicating 30 years of life, you can understand how beautiful that organization would be. कोई क्यों अपना टाइम बर्बाद करेगा 30 साल ना, यानी उस पर्सन को कुछ मिला होगा वहां से, राइट? आई एम नॉट ऑफ दैट काइंड कि अरे ठीक है ऐसे टाइम बिताओ. नो, ऑल द टाइम आई कीप understanding, thinking what's happening, and it's really beautiful. The techniques that Heartfulness offers is really beautiful, amazing techniques. So I will request you to please give it a try. I'm also a meditation trainer. There are many trainers available. If you are in some other location, I'll give you contact of those meditation trainers. You can just experience it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Saheli Ji. Now, how to control children anger? Mosmi Ji is asking. Yeah, this is one very big problem nowadays. Aggressiveness is increasing a lot in children. Attention spans are decreasing, aggressiveness is increasing. Now, ma'am, these two things I am observing regularly. You won't believe, I listen to these two things every day, almost 10 to 20 times, more than I hear the word mama. These two things are really, really concerning for our children, this alpha generation. I don't know.
The reason is that, I'll tell you, the reason is that what kind of a cartoon programs or what kind of a toys are given it to the children. if the children are pretty young, okay, the destructiveness is all around us. But how much calmness you are giving it to your child? What kind of a time you are giving it to the child? Okay. I always used to say that, when you select the toys for your children, don't select the gun. Okay, don't select why, that there are certain things behind it, right? So it is very important how to control the anger. Okay, so for that, again, the family culture matters a lot. Children are learning from the surroundings a lot. Okay, if you start speaking in a very calm and a composed manner, ma'am, automatically you will see the child following the sweet tone. It is by default, it happens, because when in the school I see, the children are the mirror of their homes.
Yeah. I remember, ma'am, you sent one child from Vishwa Shanti Gurukul to us long back, 7 years back. Child was very aggressive, and then how Brighter Minds worked beautifully on the child. I remember that, I would like to share with everyone. It's a pure delight to share with you that you and me sync in frequency. Next week's webinar topic is this only: how to handle anger in your child. So please don't forget to join that webinar. We will be talking at length about it.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you, Masumi ji. Now the next question is from Preeti Agarwal ji. How to make your child understand their daily routine?
So here, Surbhi ma'am, we have spoken about the daily routine now, one habit they have to start. But there are various ways you can do it. If you make the cards, or if you display the routine on the wall, or, the child's study board, okay, it will help, because it needs the visibility. Okay, it should be visible to the child. And at the end of the day, if you are able to follow that what is being planned as a routine, okay, celebrate it together, okay, before going to the bed, so that the child gets motivated. And this is again, a habit which you are inculcating, like what we decide, what we plan, we do it. Okay, so this is kind of a motivation. So make it, write it if your child is able to read it, or then put it. Or for younger kids also, ma'am, there are the cards you can make it. So the child sees that, now this is a breakfast time, so that is being done for the younger kids also. But if the child is elder, then you can write that routine and then put it. Like in schools, how the time schedule has been given, there is a daily timetable is there. How the child knows after maths there is a science period, after science there is a PE period. Children look for physical education periods.
Yeah.
They remember Monday to Friday entire timetable. They know it very well. Which day they have a very lighter day, they know it.
Yeah.
So please, make it visible. So the timetable in the school is generally there in the bag, or you write it in the calendar. The similar way you do it, it will definitely bring a lot of changes in the child's life.
No, very right, ma'am. I totally agree. So I also experienced couple of things, like you are saying, we do it, right? It's also super important. If you say you do it, तो वो habit बनना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. Initially, you have to do with the child. We do it, right?
We
like
as a family do it. We as a family do it, ma'am. So
we do it, right? So initially start with that, and then slowly encourage child, handhold, be present, but let the child do. And then third step you can follow, encourage child to do, and then slowly be back, and then disappear, So that works. And second thing, make it joyful. It should not be boring कि ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, ये काम तो करना ही है. तो they don't feel encouraged to do it. Third thing that I am observing in today's children, they are different. They are not like जैसे हम करते थे ना, मम्मा ने कह दिया so we will follow, yes मम्मा, वैसा नहीं. They are different. This is alpha gen, right? So how they want to do it, they don't want to feel controlled. If you say, okay, I have written this timetable, you follow, they say you have written, you follow. So
involve them in making. Involve
them in making. Ask them, but give them limited choices, right? 7:05. Would you like to study at 7:05 or 7:15? or 7:20, limited choice only. But give them choice so that when they choose it, they feel I am the boss, I am choosing. So it is their habit then. So may give them that feel that it is their habit, not yours. So we have also released one reel on it. When we, we make the schedule and ask them to follow, it becomes our schedule and they are following. When we do it with the child, make the schedule with your child, like Rama ma'am said, we do it, and then encourage them to do with you also, having fun with it. So that works more in today's generation.
Yeah. I hope Priti Agarwal ji is satisfied with the answer. Yeah.
Priti ji, in case something remains, I have already shared our coordinates. You can connect. Okay. So next question is, this question gets at the heart of balancing protection and independence. How to guide your child while still allowing them space? Hamad Ali ji is asking. Very sensitive question.
Yeah.
Again, that balance, that girl on the rope.
Correct. And again, that space. So nowadays, if you really look at it, the children have their own room, right? The study table is there, because that helps that, the child should have that ownership and the responsibility has to come. But initially, you need to be like, facilitator for all that. Right? So it's not you are giving all the answers, but you are just guiding and supporting it. So giving a space in the sense like, not all the time hovering around your child, right? But at the same time, when the child is required, his expressions or feelings, you should be able to understand it, right? So space has to be given it to the children, and you also require your own space.
Yeah.
And that can be done in a beautiful manner. Okay, that can be done in a beautiful manner, because if you are really very focused about, as we keep saying that, we don't require a perfect parenting, right? And parenting is an art. Okay, parenting is an art. So it day by day, it's like lifelong learning. So you can keep sharpening your own skills every day. So I feel Muhammad Ali ji, right? Yeah. So he can do it by, if the child has a separate room, or, making sure that he gets his own space. The routine has been asked him. If the child is elderly child, ask him to make a timetable. Let him then, ask him to share it with you. And then at the end of the day, just say like, did we were able to follow that? Okay, how much percent? It may not be 100% every day the child will be able to follow it. Very rarely.
Okay. And one thing, if you ensure that your communication with your child is very open, build in such a way child shares with you everything, then you can rest assured whatever is happening, child will be telling you. You have seen tortoise, right? So tortoise lays the egg and then hatches it with the mind. वो mind का connection रहता है उसका. Whereas hen, what it does, वो egg को hatch करने के लिए वहीं बैठना पड़ता है उसको. So our connection, if it is very strong, that connection, that if we build in our houses, you can be assured that your child will be very safe, because child knows to decide wisely where to go, where not to go. So that is where this intuitive capabilities are super important to be worked on. Intuition cannot work until the child knows how to calm the mind, how to make it still, composed कैसे रहना है. That doesn't mean कि child will not be naughty. Child will be naughty. They are children, but they should know when to do what. है ना Rama ma'am?
Yeah, very true.
So that particular aspect, and they learn it from us. So these introspective techniques, these calming techniques for few seconds every day, for few minutes every day, they will really do magic, practical magic in your house.
We have last question, I believe so.
Yeah. And it is 8:25, Rama ma'am. Should we go for this?
Yeah. Quickly.
So Arpita ji is asking, okay, one more question has come. What's the best way to build open and honest relationship to have truthful communication? We'll bring this webinar. This is very important point that you have raised. We will bring this complete webinar and we'll discuss it at length. We have noted your question. Thank you for sharing it. And it was also in my mind because this thing, if it is done, no, you are sorted. So now we are just running short of time. So I'm taking this last question. Why son do not listen to us for very basic things? Arpita ji is asking. Now we are just running short of time. So I'm taking this last question. Why son do not listen to us for very basic things? Arpita ji is asking.
So the reason is ma'am, you first see the way you communicate to your child, the tone which you're using to tell him do this. Okay, do you do it as an orderly manner? Do you do it in a very strict way? How are you communicating? That matters a lot. So introspect on that, and please connect to Surbhi ma'am on one-on-one so that she can give you tips to handle that child well.
Yeah, so me and Rama ma'am keep talking about it. It's like वो अपने बचपन में एंटीना देखा होगा ना, दूरदर्शन वाला. We used to tune it, इधर घुमाओ, tune it. So it's like that. If you have done that in the childhood, you will resonate how to do it. So let's connect and we will talk about it, how to do it. So thank you Rama ma'am for joining. Thank you dear parents. Thank you everyone for joining and giving your precious time. This is the most beautiful gift you have given us on Friendship Day. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week 7:30 again, Sunday, same link. Thank you so much.